Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and you're watching the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. The word of the day is fastidious. Fastidious. Fastidious is an adjective. Adjective means a word that describes a noun. Fastidious is used to describe a person. It means a person who is finicky about cleanliness, a person who pays much attention to minute details. The synonyms are perfectionist, a person who is always in a want to be perfect, punctilious or finicky. And the antonyms are sloopy or easygoing. Sloopy means a person who is very casual and does not pay much attention. Hence, it is the opposite or antonym of fastidious. The sentences can be framed in this way. My boss is a fastidious person. He always has a complaint at the tip of his tongue. Or we can frame a sentence like this. Her performance was remarkably fastidious. That means she performed perfectly well. So now you've got a new word today in your vocabulary bag. Now it's your turn to frame a sentence and comment me back. So till then, take care and yes, I'll be back soon with a new word. Bye-bye.